Okay, as requested, I am outside, no noises, and I will just swap from my left hand to my right hand, normal handling the pole, and you will be able to hear the really sensitive noise on the GoPro camera. I am doing nothing special, just swapping from my left hand to my right hand, like this, and now I will just swap my finger like this. I will not do anything harder than really smooth, and you will hear the sound. I cannot even hear, but the sensitive mic can capture the sound. I will do exactly the same around the case. I'm just really smooth. I cannot even hear with my ears. Okay, now I'm handling the GoPro outside the case only with my hands, and I will just swap exactly as I was doing, but without the case. Just swapping from my left hand to my right hand, and I will just touch really soft. I will just touch the GoPro, and you will see the noise being recorded.